Who comes to your mind when you hear the word superhero? Maybe it's Superman, or Batman, or even Spider-Man. Who is the real superhero for you? But I'm not asking about made-up fantasy characters. I'm asking about real-life superheroes. Those people that have played the role of a true superhero in your life. A superhero is someone who cares for you. A superhero is someone who does the right thing. A superhero is someone who rescues you. A superhero is someone who sacrifices themselves for you. A superhero is someone who is always there for you, no matter what. For me, there are two people that fit the description of a superhero better than anyone that ever existed. These are my mother and father, and the chances are that it's the same for you. Alhamdulillah, not only have they been superheroes for us ever since we were born, but they have even given us some of their superpowers, alhamdulillah. Our parents instilled into us the good values we hold. They showed us what kindness was and connected our hearts to Allah. And they never expected anything in return except our happiness. They are the real superheroes of your life. So be kind to them, be grateful to them, love them, and make dua for them always.